Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have Ray-Ban Metasmart Bluetooth audio glasses. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's dive in this unboxing. Okay, let's discuss the specs. Frame description, frame shape. Square frame, color, shiny black frame, material injected temper color black. Lens info, lenses color, green treatment, classic G15. Product dimensions, hinge to hinge 133 mm, lens height 40.6 mm. Bridge width 50-22 mm, temper length 150 mm. Fitting regular, bridge and nose pads, high bridge fit. Camera, image acquisition, 302 for 03 to px, video acquisition, 140 for 1929 px at 30 fps. Audio speaker to custom build speaker open air. Custom 5 microphone array. Controls, touch, voice, assistance type. Battery and memory, rechargeable 595, 150 for Mali and pouch. 32 GB eMNC 500 plus photos and 50 and 60 second videos. Connectivity, Wi-Fi to 0.425 GHz, Bluetooth 5.3, iOS 14. 4 Android 10 minimum. Okay. We have the speakers right on the bottom of both of the glasses. Ear cup that shoots air waves in your ear for the audio, so it's your own little bubble. So on the right side of the glasses, there's a touch-sensitive controls so you can control your music, phone calls, messages, and even a button to take a picture or start recording. Link in the description for these amazing smart glasses. Okay, now let's test out the camera quality. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.